What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Toon Spike from Brawl Stars. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page you draw two large circles for the eyes. Now you want to start with the one on the left, so we're going to start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top, bring this in towards the middle, all the way around, and then back up. Just push the iris towards the inside. So starting from the top right of the left eye, draw another circle, going around, come down, just tuck that in towards the bottom, and we'll line that up on the right. Now I want to add a small circle in the center of the iris for the pupil, so we're just going to pull this in, draw that circle, and then do the same thing on the right. And we'll fill the outside of the iris in black, going around the pupil. And while we're doing this, I just want to remind everyone to share their art with me for a chance to be featured in our upcoming Artist Spotlight. All you need to do is send your artwork to me at cartooningforkids@gmail.com. Let's move to the center, step down, draw the mouth. We're going to start with a point. Just going to round up the left side. We want to go up, come around towards the bottom of the mouth, round this out, go up on the right, and just pull that back down in the center. Along the bottom, let's add a curve for the tongue, and then we'll fill the top of the mouth in black. Now I'm going to step down and draw the top edge of the pen. Let's start by lining up the bottom of the mouth all the way over toward the left side. Just going to curve this down in the middle, go across, and then back up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw a half circle, going all the way around the top of the head, come in towards the middle, come around the right side, and then bring that down. Let's add two seams going in behind the eye. Starting from the top left, going out and then down. Let's continue that curve, coming down towards the bottom of the head. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Going out and then down. Now along the top of the head, we're going to draw an oval tucked in behind the top. Let's start over on the left, going all the way around towards the top, come around and then down. Let's draw two smaller ovals tucked in along the side. So on the left, going up, down and in, and line that up on the right side. Over on the left side, we're going to bend the leg so it's raised up. So just underneath the eye, draw an oval, going all the way down towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. In the center of the oval, draw a curve for the top of the shoe, going across, step up and draw that again for the top of the sock. From the hips, we're going to curve the lower half of the body. Start back on the left, curve this down and then in behind the leg. Let's go to the right side. We're going to bring this down and then in towards the leg. Now we're going to extend the right leg. Draw a straight line coming down, round up the bottom of the pant, coming in towards the middle, go up and in, and then we'll round out the body going in behind the left leg. Let's extend the right leg. From this point, we're going to step over, curve this down, around, and then up. Let's draw the edge of the shoe with a curve, step up and draw that again. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center. Let's draw a circle on the right side for a button. Now over on the side of the body, we're going to add a trim. Let's start from the side, bend this out, come down and in towards the side of the hip, and we'll line that up on the right, going out, around, and in. Now we're going to bend the left arm going all the way around. Let's start from the center of this curve. We're going to go out, bend the arm coming in, round up the hand, and then bend that back out. Let's draw the inside of the arm, coming down and in. Now the right arm is going to be holding the cactus, so let's start along the bottom, bend this down, go up toward the top of the hand, round of the hand, and then bring that back down. And we'll close off the top of the arm. Let's add that cactus bulb on the top of the hand. So over on the left side, we're going to draw a circle, go all the way around, and then back down. And then we're going to leave a gap, draw a half circle, going up and then down. Go along the side, go around, and just tuck that in towards the top. Now we want to add those two spikes along the inside, so we're going to leave a gap in the center, draw two curves, one going out on the left, and then the right. And then from these 2 points, we're going to go out and back in, just making a point on the outside. Let's add two seams, going down in behind the spike, and then down towards the hand. Then we'll add two more spikes along the bottom. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Toon Spike from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.